If compound interest is charged on a certain sum for 2 years at 10%, the amount becomes rupees 605. Find the principal amount. Now we have the formula A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to N. Now if we read the question, we have N is equal to 2, R is equal to 10, and amount is equal to 605. So if we substitute it, we can easily find the value of P. So amount is 605. P we have to find out. 1 plus R is 10. So 10 upon 100 raised to 2. So this will become 605 is equal to P into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10. Now, if we divide 605 by 11, we have 55. And if we divide 55 again by 11, we have 5. Now, this 10 and 10 goes on the left hand side as product. So, therefore, principal P comes out as 500. So, that is our answer, option 8.